Wow! Hi, let's have fun. We will draw and play. Let's draw a sweet kitten. First, draw its head. Make it round. Now its nose and muzzle. Well done! Draw its triangular ears. And long whiskers. Then make an oval body. Excellent! Draw the front paws. Draw 2 straight lines. And a rear paw. Violet. Excellent! Now you only have to draw a long tail. What an adorable kitten you've made! Ew. 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 Let's draw a prickly hedgehog. First, draw its pointy face. And a round nose, red, black. Draw its mouth. Nice job! And now draw its prickly body. Sweet! Add some more spines. Now draw its legs. And 2 more legs. What a funny hedgehog you have made. Look at how funnily it tumbles and runs.
Ow, ow, ow.